Growing up as a little kid in Lagos, I always hated wearing our traditional African attire. Instead, I dreamt of rocking the latest American designer brands, Prada, Louis Vuitton, Versace, just like the other kids. We wanted so badly to be like the American celebrities we saw on TV that we forgot just how beautiful our own cultural fabrics are, the rich history, the meaning, and the pride they carry for us as a people. But today, that perspective has changed. In this video, we're heading to the Lagos Adire Festival hosted by Ekobank in Victoria Island. We'll explore stunning Adire fabrics, dive into their fascinating history, enjoy a vibrant cultural fashion show, live music, and of course, some mouth-watering food. Stick around until the very end. This video promises to be fun, inspiring, and educational. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I share first-hand access to exclusive locations, updates, and events around Lagos and Nigeria as a whole. Thanks as you subscribe.
From the days of old, our rich culture has been beautifully represented through our fabrics. Each fabric, each weave, each pattern speaks heritage, pride, and identity. From the bold and regal ashoke of the Yorubas to the elegance of the Babanriga worn by the Hausas and the striking patterns of the Ishagu, a proud symbol of the Igbo spirit. But in the heart of all of this beauty lies a common fabric, Adire. Hand-dyed with love, passed down through generations, Adire unites us in color, creativity, and culture. Adire is more than fabric. It's a symbol of unity, connecting us all from time immemorial to today. Adire captures majestic rows of white and blue, now blossoming into different colors of the rainbow. Adire, woven with tradition, worn by all. Adire Lagos by Ekobank, celebrating the fabric that unites us.
I arrived at the Ekobank Pan-African Center right here on Ozumba Mbadiwe Avenue, Victoria Island, Lagos, the venue for the Adire Lagos exhibition. The Ekobank Adire Lagos exhibition is an annual cultural event that celebrates Nigeria's rich heritage through the timeless beauty of Adire fabric. Originating from Abeokuta in southwestern Nigeria, Adire is a traditional indigo-dyed cloth renowned for its detailed, handcrafted patterns, often made using wax-resistant techniques. It's more than just fabric, it's art, it's history, and it's a proud expression of our cultural identity. Originally, Adire was made using indigo dyed clothes, decorated with resistant dyeing techniques. Women, especially Yoruba women, played a central role in its creation. They used raffia, cassava pastes, feathers, combs, stones, and even folded fabric to create intricate patterns that told stories, conveyed status, and marked special occasions. These fabrics were more than just fashion, they were cultural expressions passed from generation to generation. Each design held meaning, often symbolizing proverbs, history, spirituality, or social identity. Though Adire production declined during the colonial era due to imported fabrics, it has seen a major revival in recent years. Young designers and cultural advocates are blending traditional techniques with modern fashion, making Adire a powerful symbol of African pride, heritage, and creativity. The 2025 edition marks the fourth installment of this prestigious exhibition. Over 120 vendors are showcasing a diverse range of Adire textiles, fashion items, and lifestyle products. Attendees can look forward to authentic hand-dyed Adire textiles, indigenous cuisines, live performances, interactive masterclasses, and networking opportunities for artisans and entrepreneurs in the creative sector. The event serves as a platform to promote tourism, celebrate local artistry, and strengthen the creative economy. It also offers small and medium enterprises an opportunity to showcase their products and benefit from the African Continental Free Trade Area. There are also plenty of culturally designed photo sets, perfect for capturing those memorable moments for free. A kids game arena and arcade section kept the younger guests and even some adults entertained throughout the day. What time do you leave your house? Add in great music, delicious food, and refreshing drinks, and the atmosphere was nothing short of electric.
heard there's like 100 million naira for grabs, for grabs. Alright, my name is Lumi.
The event was truly one to remember, wrapping up with a vibrant live band performance and an energetic closing party that had everyone on their feet. Whether you're a fashion lover, a cultural enthusiast, or an entrepreneur looking to connect and collaborate, the Adire Lagos exhibition offers a unique chance to immerse yourself in Nigeria's rich heritage and engage with a community that celebrates creativity, identity, and tradition. Thanks for watching till the end, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.